Practicing spoken English effectively involves a mix of strategies to improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Here are some tips. 1. Practice regularly. Daily practice. Aim to practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Set goals. Set specific, measurable goals such as practicing for 15 minutes a day or learning 5 new phrases each week. 2. Engage in conversations. Language exchange. Partner with someone who speaks English as their first language. You can also find language exchange partners online. Join clubs or groups. Join English-speaking clubs or groups, either locally or online. To practice in a social setting. Use social media. Participate in English-speaking forums, groups, or video chats. 3. Use technology. Language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone can provide structured practice. Speech recognition tools. Use tools like Google Speech-to-Text to practice pronunciation and get immediate feedback. Watch and imitate. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos and try to imitate the speech patterns and intonations. 4. Record yourself. Record and review. Record yourself speaking on various topics and listen to the recordings to identify areas for improvement. Shadowing technique. Listen to a sentence in English and then try to repeat it exactly as you heard it. This helps with pronunciation and rhythm. 5. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words daily. Make it a habit to learn new words and phrases every day, and try to use them in sentences. Use flashcards. Create flashcards with new vocabulary and review them regularly. 6. Improve pronunciation. Phonetics practice. Learn the phonetic alphabet to understand how words are pronounced. Pronunciation guides. Use online resources or apps dedicated to improving pronunciation. Mimic native speakers. Listen to native speakers and mimic their accent and intonation. 7. Think in English. Internal dialogue. Practice thinking in English instead of your native language. Describe your day. As you go about your day, describe what you are doing in English. 8. Use real-life scenarios. Role-playing. Role-play different scenarios such as ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, or making a phone call. Real conversations. Try to use English in real-life situations whenever possible, like speaking with customer service or tourists. 9. Feedback and correction. Seek feedback. Ask fluent speakers or teachers for feedback on your speaking skills. Self-correction. Be mindful of your mistakes and work on correcting them. 10. Stay motivated. Positive mindset. Stay positive and patient with yourself as you learn. Celebrate progress. Celebrate small achievements and progress in your speaking ability. 11. Join online communities, forums and discussion groups. Participate in online communities like Reddit's Our Language Learning or Dedicated English Learning forums. Online tutoring. Consider hiring an online tutor for personalized guidance and practice. By incorporating these tips into your practice routine, you can improve your spoken English skills effectively and enjoyably.